vision, she got vision,
This is my boy Charlie.
she got
Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Condino. Today I'm gonna hit some back, tricep, and bicep. What we want to do is make sure that we keep the body healthy. So I'm gonna make one of my favorite juice. I'm gonna have a lot of ginger and lime and pineapple. Alright, it's gonna be like pineapple juice, but we're gonna add some lime to it. Alright, so I'm pretty sure y'all know what to do. So I'm gonna make this. You guys can see. Then we're gonna eat some back and bicep and tricep. You guys get to see the back workout, and I'll show you guys our dog. We have a dog. What's his name again?
Charlie.
Charlie. Yeah. Have a little baby dog, and he's the sweetest. So first, you want to get the lime. You don't want to juice the lime. Just gonna squeeze out that. Get your knife. Squeeze it out as good as possible. Watch your finger. Watch your fingers, of course. Just gonna squeeze that out. Squeeze out all the juice. Get that in there. That's one. That's two. One thing about juicing pineapple, pineapple takes away the taste of a lot of the other ingredients. So you just wanna, for me, I'm just using this lime to kind of lessen the taste of the pineapple. But we're gonna put some ginger. We're gonna put some ginger into it. So this right here, see? Put them on a lime juice. Put that there. Put all this pineapple in there. Stuff it down. Just like that. Get this. I bought me a little cheap juicer, you know what I mean? Doug, don't laugh at my juicer. You get me, man? Not because you have the $300 juicer, Doug. I bought me something for $64.99. And yeah, and it juice. Look at that. It juice. Let's go stuff some more in it. Here you go. This right here, you have your pineapple, ginger, and lime juice. So, let me tell you something. One of the reasons why I don't recommend juicing that much, especially when it comes to clients, is because when you juice, a lot of the nutrients goes in here. So that's a lot of nutrients that you're just gonna throw away. Alright, so that's one of the reasons why I don't recommend juicing, but a lot of people can't stomach fruits. So juicing enough pineapple, enough ginger, enough whatever you're juicing, you can get a substantial amount of nutrients just the same. But in all, you waste a lot of nutrients when you juice. So heads up. So anyway, about to eat, then I'm heading to the gym. Let me show you guys on the juice. And don't comment right here. Don't comment. Oh, he said if you juice, you lose a lot of nutrients, but he's drinking all this fucking juice. But anyway, this is cucumber, ginger, lime, and plum juice. And it's freaking amazing. It's a lot of ginger. Ginger is good for you. So, see you guys at the gym. Breakdance. Afrobeats. Bye-bye. Alright, so on the way to the gym. The Colin said we have to come pick the dog up from the groomers. So about to go pick Charlie up. Or I might just work out, then go pick Charlie up. But anyway, see you guys at the gym. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm thinking about doing a show next month. Not sure yet. I think it's the 23rd of next month, but might do it. One of my main goals is to do a show in bodybuilding. That's one of my main goals. An official show and everything. But it's gonna take me some time, so please forgive me. I have a very busy schedule. But yeah, I'm trying to test my genetics and see how far I can go on a natural bodybuilding manner, if that makes sense. Yeah. But yeah, see you guys at the gym. We're gonna do some back workout, some bicep, tricep, and we're gonna do some chest. But I'm gonna let you guys see the back workout. Back day is one of my favorite days, so hopefully you guys enjoy. All right, see you guys later. Alright, y'all, welcome. We're at the gym. As you guys can see, we hit some back. So we're gonna keep it simple and continue the workout. Alright. This is a method I use personally when I'm doing back workouts. Is I start off with some wide grip lat pull downs, which I did earlier. But like I said, I don't really like talking when I'm working out. So even when I'm making videos, and then I stop working out just to talk or whatever, it's a distraction for me, because I like to keep my rest periods very, not say short, but I like to keep it in an orderly fashion. So what I do is start off with some wide grip, then I use not so much a close grip, but like a medium tight grip in the middle of the back workout. So that will get your lats activated, especially if you use some control movements and some negative movements. So that's something that I use, and that's something that you can try. Start off with some lat pull downs, then do like 2-3 exercises in your back workout, and then you go to this at the middle of your workout and just do some control movements, or you just focus on the concentric and the eccentric movement of it, and you feel really good. I promise. Let's go. Alright, yo, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. We're about to head over here to get Charlie. Charlie's a dog I got like 2 days ago. 3 days ago. 2 days ago, yeah, 2 days ago. Got him on Sunday. Today's Tuesday, so yeah, 2 days ago. So we're gonna pick up Charlie. He got his first haircut since he was born. So I'm excited to see what he looks like. So yeah, I'll see you guys over there, alright? Man, look at me like I said. Don't fucking take so long. My boy Charlie. What's it called?
Um,
Upscale Grooming Salon. Come see them. Ready, boy? Come on, you smell fresh. You smell fresh. You smell fresh. Say hi. Alright, so back at the house, and of course, I'm gonna give you guys a nice immune system booster. You have some basil, ginger, and turmeric. And for a little flavor, we're gonna add some grapes to it. Alright? This is a very natural source of nutrients. Of course, this can use to help build your immune system, especially at a time like COVID and all that type of stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's juice this. You guys are gonna see what it looks like. If you like the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I have some spring mix with avocado and 4 ounces of chickpeas. This is curry chickpeas with a lot of parsley in it, and of course I have some spinach, and it's going to taste very good. Okay, so let's begin with the juicing. Alright, first we're going to cut up our turmeric. And we're going to cut it up, put it in here with ginger. If you want to make a ginger, some ginger, nice ginger. And of course, we're going to put the basil in it, of course. And then we're just going to press it. Then, for a little bit of sweetness, I'm going to add some grapes. It's like a car. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like. We're just going to pour it out in here. And there you have it. Natural drink, man. This is a good immune system booster, of course. You guys can try it, and it's delicious. Alright? So, see you guys in the next video.